Hello, it's Mrs. Poe. Today we will be reading From Seed to Pumpkin by Wendy Pfeffer. When spring winds warm the earth, a farmer plants hundreds of pumpkin seeds. Every pumpkin seed can become a baby pumpkin plant. Underground, covered with dark, moist soil, the baby plants begin to grow. As the plants get bigger, the seeds crack open, stems sprout up, and roots dig down. Inside, the roots become tubes. Water travels up these tubes, and the way juice goes up a straw. In less than 2 weeks from planting time, green shoots poke up through the earth. These shoots grow into tiny seedlings. 2 leaves, called seed leaves, uncurl on each stem, and they reach up toward the sun. Sunlight gives these leaves energy to make food. Like us, plants need food to grow, but green plants do not eat food as we do. Their leaves make it. To make food, plants need light, water, and air. Leaves catch the sunlight, and roots soak up the fresh rainwater. And little openings in these leaves let air in. Using energy from the sun, these leaves mix the air with the water from the soil and make sugar, and then this feeds the plants. Soon, broad, prickly leaves with jagged edges unfold on the stems. This one says, "New leaves are rough and prickly, but the seed leaves are smooth and round." The leaves dry up. Now the new leaves make their food for the pumpkin plant. Each pumpkin stem has many sets of tubes. 1 tube in each set takes water from the soil up the leaves so that they can make sugar. The other tube in each set sends food back down so the pumpkin can grow. The days grow warmer, and the farmer tends to the pumpkin patch to keep weeds out. Weeds take water from the soil. Pumpkin plants need that water to grow. Pumpkin plants don't stand up tall. As the stems grow longer, they sprawl all over the ground, and before long, twisted, tangled vines cover the pumpkin patch. Soon, a flower bud appears on the vines. After each bud opens, its orange petals grow bigger and bigger, and they look like bright orange umbrellas. During the heat of the day, the flowers close. Then they open again during the cold nights and early in the morning. The bright orange flowers attract swarms of bees, and the bees buzz about, carrying yellow pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers. Now, pumpkins can grow. The petals wither away. Where the flowers bloomed, tiny, hard fruits begin to grow. Hundreds of these cling to the vines. The days grow hot, and all summer the warm sun and cool rain help the tiny fruits grow larger and larger. Soon, summer is over. The corn stalks next to the pumpkin patch turn brown, and leaves turn red and orange and yellow, and pumpkins change color too. They ripen. They change from green to yellow and then to orange. In just 4 months, small, flat, white pumpkin seeds have grown into big, fat orange pumpkins. The pumpkins are ripe and round, with lumps and bumps, and they come in all sizes and shapes, and they're waiting in the autumn sun. Some pumpkins will be carved into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween, and some will be baked into pies for Thanksgiving. Colorful leaves turn brown. Winter winds begin to blow, and soon the trees are bare. The farmer looks out all over his pumpkin patch, and there's only a few dead vines that remain. But when spring winds warm the earth once again, he will plant hundreds of pumpkin seeds, and then once again they will grow from seed to pumpkin. And that is our story, From Seed to Pumpkin.